The journey starts today. The journey starts today.
Or it will, or it'll just probably tell me I'm done recording. But I think I'm good recording. I'll delete a bunch of stuff that I don't need, and then I can do stuff. Oh, you need things. Hopefully, if I'm still recording, hopefully y'all can hear this. If I'm still recording, y'all will be able to hear this. What does it matter? Local produce. And I'll go shoot this. Grab a peach. Grab a peach. So yeah, y'all have seen what this Animal Crossing game is. I will do more. If y'all want me to do more of this Animal Crossing game, I will. It's very fun. Very addicting. I love Animal Crossing. And so, if anybody wants me to do more Animal Crossing, oh look, another person. If anybody wants me to do more Animal Crossing, just let me know in the comment section below. And that's it. Actually, that's it. That's a wrap. I don't know why I said that. I don't know why I said that's a wrap.
The journey